Hi there, here are the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro and in this really unique packaging. So let's open this up quickly. Lots of wires. Okay. And there it is. There's also some paperwork up here. Redmi bead drop. And finally inside are the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro. You can see some list of its features. This looks like a blue color, some manufacturing details and the MRP, which is 5,999. Alright, without wasting a single second, let's quickly unbox it. So inside the box are the earbuds itself, lovely blue color. You have the user manual and you have the earbuds. You have two extra pair of matching earbuds. Sadly, there's no charging cable included in the packaging. So before we move to the design and build, let's talk about the specs and features. So it comes with Qualcomm QCC3040 chipset with Bluetooth 5.2, which means it has faster connectivity, more stable connections, and above all, more battery efficient. Then we get IPX4 rating, so splashes and sweat are taken care of. But remember, the IP rating is only for the earbuds and not for the case, so make sure you keep the case safely. Then dual drivers in each earbuds, dynamic and balanced armature. Wow, that's exciting. Can't wait to see how they perform. Talking a little about the build and design, it's got a similar design to the Redmi 2C, but it's slightly bigger. Nice matte blue finish, feels really soft with the Redmi branding on the top. At the back is the USB-C port, which is great considering the previous Redmi earbuds came with micro USB port. Nice and a very clean design. It can easily fit in your palm. Inside we see the two earbuds. So we have a very similar design to its predecessor, but this time it's slightly bigger. Very slightly though. The back is glossy on the Buds 3, which makes it look nice and premium. Now these are touch sensitive, so they can tap and control the audio. Towards the back are the charging terminals, and just a little below is the proximity sensor, which means it'll pause the music as you take it out of your ear and resume as you put it back. Coming to the fit. So they snug in really nicely in your ear canal and cancel most of the ambient sound. I shook my head and it stayed perfectly in place. Wow, that gave me a head rush. Easily can be worn for workout at the gym or for a run. You can also swap the ear tips with the extra ones that are provided in the packaging for a better fit. Now pairing these is super convenient, especially with Xiaomi phones. Turn on the Bluetooth on your phone and open the lid of the earphones. You will see a pop-up on the screen, click on connect, and you're done in a couple of seconds. It will show you the battery percentage of each earbud and the case separately. Now this info will show up every time you open the earbuds lid. But remember, this will work with phones running MIUI UI 12 and above. So Redmi phones, Xiaomi phones and even Poco phones, but they have to be running MIUI UI 12 and above. Alright, coming to the sound experience. Well, I can say I was mildly surprised because I'd perceived them to be like most of the run-of-the-mill earbuds. However, they sounded really good. You know that difference when you listen to that same music that sounds more beautiful? I know beautiful probably is not the right term to define music, but it sounds really nice. Unless you are a bass lover, these are not for you. The audio fidelity is really impressive for earbuds in this price category. It provides the right thump when needed. Good mids and super crisp highs. But my only concern is the volume, which doesn't get really loud. Enough loud, but maybe just a little more juice would have been really appreciated. The Earbuds 3 Pro support AAC, SPC and even aptX audio codec, which is a huge plus. The Earbuds 3 Pro work at low latency of 86 milliseconds. And what better to test that than gaming? It held up really well. Didn't experience any delay or lag in the audio experience. The best part is that you don't have to enable it or turn it on. Just start using it and they work just great. The battery life is a staggering 7 hours on these tiny tots on a single charge, and with the case, a total of 30 hours. Wow, that's amazing. Now this case comes with a huge 600 mAh battery, but it takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Then the physical tactile button on the previous Redmi earbuds have now been replaced with touch gestures. Double tap on the right earbud to toggle pause and play. Double tap on the left to enable voice assistant. Double tap and hold on the left one to go to the previous track. Double tap on the right one to go to the next track. Double tap on either to answer or end the call. So we have all the controls except volume. Sadly, you'll have to reach out to your phone for that, or you can wake up the assistant and ask it to do the needful. Alright, coming to the phone call quality. Well, very nice indoors, clear and audible to the caller. Outdoors, it was decent. Also depends on your environment. It will capture some sound if you're in traffic or a noisy environment. But overall, I can say you can depend on these for phone calls. Alright, final thoughts. So the Redmi Earbuds 3 Pro is a mixed bag. It's got good audio quality, amazing clarity, quick pairing feature, low latency for gaming and excellent battery life. But low volume output and decent bass might be a deal breaker for some. Finally, I'd say that the pros far outweigh the cons. It's available in 3 colors, blue, pink and white. You can buy these for $2,999 from me.com or amazon.in on 9th of September 12 PM onwards. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention it down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers!